Hi, welcome to another SP Tools demonstration. Today we're looking at a 888 series product. It's our 888 series transfer pump, which is a very simple battery operated pump. Great for transferring any lightweight liquid, filling the mower, filling your jet ski, filling your motorbike, topping your car up, or even emptying your fish tank at home when you've got to transfer the water. So we're going to do a very quick demonstration. It's a simple little pump, has some D cell batteries that go in the end here. So you simply add your D cell batteries and you're away to go. And I've got a sample here of some unleaded fuel, which we will simply pop in the thing. One of the things you'll notice is the length of this delivery hose. The delivery hose has been designed such that you can fill your car on the side of the road without having to hold up the jerry can at the same time. And here's a litre, so we'll fill a litre up at full height, which will show you. This is about as slow as it operates. Obviously with gravity to help, it goes a bit quicker again. That's filling up a full 1 litre container. That's it. And now just to show the speed in the other direction, when you get a little bit of help from gravity, putting it back in, and almost double the speed. There we go. Simple. So that's another product demonstration. Model T865000, 888 fluid transfer pump, great for around the home or at the workshop. Thanks for coming.